free. I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM making G's like Mercedes Benz. Yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was YouTube. Connected to the fans without a hand, I did it due to the only time I come up short is when they watching YouTube. Why they copy what I wrote, follow everything I post, never trip about a clone, cause they know what's a sheep to a goat. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it down. And they hands still free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM making G's like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, hey, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in.
If you don't like me, better close your eyes, I'm about to shine. Or take a picture when you see me, cause I doubt